Hi everyone, welcome to the Slang Room. I'm back with another car video from the Storniolo Triplets YouTube channel, in which they talk about different imaginary scenarios and if they can survive or not. If you're ready, let's jump right into it.
The salmon? I feel like because of how many salmon are swimming upstream. Wow, it's a little tongue twister. I feel like I could catch one.
He says it's a little tongue twister. Tongue twister is a phrase or a group of words that is difficult to pronounce quickly and accurately. Just like here, that Matt says, because of how many salmon are swimming upstream, and then he says it's a little tongue twister. Tongue twisters can be used as a warm-up exercise before giving a lecture or speaking in front of audiences. They're also useful for English learners to improve their pronunciation. Here's an instance of a common English tongue twister. A happy hippo hopped and hiccuped. It is a little bit difficult to say it quickly and accurately. There are a lot of English tongue twisters that you can find on the internet and use them to improve your pronunciation. Like this one. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
That's just like disgusting. Ew! Yuck. Yucky.
Ew, yuck, yucky. Yucky is an adjective. It means gross, unpleasant, or disgusting. It is often used for smell or food. A yucky smell or a yucky food. Ew, what's that yucky smell coming from the toilet? Or hospital food is yucky, but it can be used for other things as well. So it is used to describe something that is disgusting or you can't stand it.
Medusa. No, yes. No, I'm done. I'm toast. You think you're...
He says, I'm toast. When you say I'm toast, you mean I'm in serious trouble, or I'm gonna face negative consequences, or I'm gonna be ruined, destroyed, or dead. So to be toast means to be likely to be unsuccessful, destroyed, or dead. For example, if I make another mistake, I'm toast. When you say I'm toast, you know that you're gonna face negative consequences.
See, I couldn't do it because I have FOMO. Like, she'd be like she's like really enticing. I'd need to know what she looks like.
FOMO is an abbreviation. It stands for fear of missing out. FOMO, or fear of missing out, means fear of not being included in something, such as an interesting or enjoyable activity that others are experiencing. It also means fear of regret, fear of missing an opportunity. Imagine that someone throws a party and you're sick and you think you can't make it, but you go anyway because you have FOMO. You have fear of missing out because you're afraid that if you don't go to the party, you're not taking part in an enjoyable activity that others are experiencing. So you go to the party because you don't want to get FOMO. You can say to have FOMO or to get FOMO. For example, he has FOMO because he didn't invest in Bitcoin. So FOMO is the anxious feeling or fear that one is missing out exciting or rewarding experiences, events, or opportunities happening elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.